Have you ever pondered the intersection of artificial intelligence and neuroscience? It may seem like an unlikely alliance, but this is exactly where some of the most exciting advancements in technology are happening today. When this partnership was first proposed, there was a fair share of skepticism. Critics questioned whether these two seemingly disparate fields could truly collaborate in a meaningful way. But the common goal of understanding complex information processing brought them together. Both AI researchers and neuroscientists are intrigued by the idea of decoding the human brain's intricate circuits and applying these principles to artificial systems. The initial stages of this alliance were marked by tentative exploration as both fields sought to find common ground. Yet, as they started to share their knowledge and resources, initial breakthroughs began to emerge. These early successes began to change the minds of even the most ardent skeptics. In the face of skepticism, the partnership between AI and neuroscience started to bear fruit, setting the stage for groundbreaking developments. But how has this unlikely alliance evolved over time? Well, it's a story of symbiotic growth and mutual inspiration. AI and neuroscience started out as separate fields, each with its unique challenges and potential. However, they soon realized that their goals were not so different. Both aimed to understand and replicate intelligent behavior. The collaboration took a significant turn when AI researchers began using principles from neuroscience to model parts of the brain. This led to the birth of neural networks, algorithms inspired by the interconnectivity of neurons in our brains. Neuroscientists in turn embraced AI, using machine learning techniques for modeling brain activity and understanding complex neural data. The influence was reciprocal. As AI models grew more sophisticated, they provided fresh insights into how our brains function, while neuroscience offered novel design principles for AI. As the collaboration deepened, AI and neuroscience began to influence and enhance each other in remarkable ways. So where does this leave us today, and what does the future hold? Well, we are witnessing a fascinating era of progress in AI and neuroscience. Recent breakthroughs in brain-machine interfaces are allowing us to interact with technology in ways that were once relegated to the realm of science fiction. AI-inspired neuroprosthetics are providing newfound mobility and independence to individuals with physical disabilities, transforming lives in profound ways. But the implications don't stop there. These advancements are also reshaping our understanding of the brain, with AI algorithms helping us decode complex neurological patterns and potentially unlocking new treatments for neurological disorders. And let's not forget the broader societal impact. As these technologies become more integrated into our daily lives, they will undoubtedly influence how we work, play, communicate, and even perceive reality. From skepticism to groundbreaking advancements, the collaboration between AI and neuroscience continues to redefine the boundaries of what we thought possible.